Ya me lo dijeron y lo puedo corroborar, ¿no? Cuando acabas esta prueba es como si te dieran el carnet de biker.
M'ho he passat de conya.
One, two, three, listen. It's for the love of the shit that I do it, and I'll give my last breath to prove it. See, I'm a vet when it comes to this rap love, and if it's all I have, then I'm good, bruh. Drop the track, step back and watch me do it. If you listen what I'm saying, I'll walk you through it. Shay Holmes, John Nevy, all night, all day, ain't nothing to it. Who knew it?
Espectacular, o sea, es la mejor carrera que puedes hacer de la zona. Un corriol infinito, brutal, y más con el team de puta madre. Una birra al final, ¿qué más quieres?
You can keep the money, the cars, the clothes and the fame. For the love of the music is why I'm in this game.
Ha sigut un dia brutal, potser el dia que millor m'ho he passat en bici. La tràmol sempre és complicada, així que imagineu com eren fang. Tothom que acabi avui ja té carnet de biker.
La veritat és que a mi aquestes condicions m'agraden, com més difícil millor i bueno, la veritat és que hi havia llocs que era molt bèstia, no s'aguantava la bici per enlloc.
I think for all people they really like some technical and they like single tracks and whatever, they should come to here next time and maybe bring some sunshine with, and then it will be a very nice race.
And you can ask my boy Yanivi why he doing what he doing and how is he doing it or why he do his thing. Yeah, you see the money ain't a part of it, the fame I never thought of it. The music is the soul and the rhythm is the heart of it. Hey, so I'ma keep on rocking it, straight hood popping it.
Fresh, doing something